Hola! Today, I'm going to show you how you can create your own custom DIY bath bombs at home. If you're anything like me, maybe having this on hand will encourage you to decompress a bit more frequently. Bath bomb add emollients and softeners to your bath's water that moisturize and indulge your skin. No matter what your skin type, the beneficial ingredients in bath bombs leaves your skin soft, supple, and silky. These bath bombs are so simple to make. I listed all the ingredients in the description box down below. Okay, so let's get started. Begin by measuring out and whisking together your dry ingredients in a large bowl, like the one I have here. Right now, I'm measuring citric acid and dividing it into 6 containers. Please excuse the mess. I know shit happens, but that's okay. We'll clean up later. Okay, so I'm using this bath bomb molds. It's reusable, by the way. You can use it up to 10 times if you like. I'm just measuring it up and I'm gonna transfer it later. Okay, so I have this sodium bicarbonate, and I'm gonna put it in a large bowl like so. I get these ingredients from Hobby Lobby, but you can also buy it online, or you can go to your local craft store. So I'm just pouring all the sodium bicarbonate in there. And then I'm gonna mix it later with the citric acid. Alright, there you go. So these are the containers that I was talking about earlier. I have to transfer this to a bigger bowl because it's easier to mix. Next is I'm cutting the plastic mold to get the bath bomb mold. There we go. And now I have to it's time to put our essential oil. I'm using a sweet margarita, which smells so good. It reminds me of ilang ilang flower. I mix it with dry ingredients. It smells so good. Okay, so now I'm mixing citric acid and sodium bicarbonate together. If you want, you can also add Epsom salt, just like this one. Okay. Epsom salt soften rough, dry skin and exfoliate dead skin cells. I'm also adding coconut oil to moisturize dehydrated skin. I'm using a measuring dropper. I don't know how you call that. And I have here food coloring. It's blue, but I'm just gonna use a tiny drop of blue to make it like sky blue. And now I'm just gonna put some water, just a little bit. So there's coconut oil, food coloring, and water. And I'm gonna pour it to our dry ingredients. Back to the big bowl. So just like baking, wet and dry. Oh my gosh, it fizzles. I gotta pour it slowly next time. I think I poured too much liquid. I've got to get more dry ingredients and mix it so it's gonna blend well. Oh my god, it smells so good. So this will make 6 bath bombs. Yeah, it's gonna make 6 pieces. The big balls. So I'm just mixing it with a spatula. But now I'm gonna use a whisk to blend the ingredients smoothly and incorporate air into a mixture. I think I'm gonna add more Epsom salt. Yep. Because why not? Chocolate, coconut. Just look at that color. Sky blue or baby blue, whatever. I love it. I like the color. It's so pretty. Okay, so once everything is mixed, get ready to mold. For this round mold, you gotta fill each half. Then you have to pack it slightly until it's overflowing. You gotta press it firmly. Press the halves together. Then let the mold sit for about a minute. So just keep pressing it, just like what I'm doing here. Then once set, tap the mold together, and then I guess I gotta add more, like overflowing, you know. You gotta make sure there's a lot in there so it's gonna hold tight. They're gonna go together. Press it hard, but not too hard. There you go. So tap the mold and pull it apart. There you have it. Nice. Oh, look at that. Pretty. This is a fun project that you can do with your partner or kids. It's like a science project that doesn't involve chemicals. Oh, this one is pretty. This one has a design in the middle, like a shooting star. I also made a light pink version because I want to. I'm actually making this for our Korean friend. Her name is Younghae. It's for her birthday. I think she needs to distress because she works too hard and she deserves this. She deserves this treat. I think she's gonna like this pink color and the sky blue. So just like the one I made with the others, just press this firmly. Press the halves together. And let the mold sit for about a minute. As you can see, it's overflowing. Wow, that's so pretty. So you'll want to let the bath bombs dry for at least 24 hours before you create your own mini spa in your bathtub. Look at that shooting star. I'm just gonna put it. There we go. I made 6 balls and I have leftovers right there. Pretty cool, huh? So let's wait 24 hours and try it tomorrow. Okay, so let's test it out. As you can see, it fizzles and there's some bubbles in there. Perfecto. I like it a lot. Okay, so I hope you guys like it. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. Or oh, before I let go, I just want to show you this big ball that I'm gonna put in the bathtub. So let the bomb drop the bomb. Big bubbles, I like it. Alright, there you have it. Bye. See you next time. See you in my next video.